Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lara Savage. If you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share within and outside your circle. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to remove this sticker on your Ankara, on your fabric. Guys, it's always a hassle because even if you use your iron, it will still have that gum residue on it. So I'm going to show you guys how to get rid of that gum residue. So let's get started. So guys, what we'll be needing for this tutorial is our iron and then serviette paper or tissue paper. So that's all you need for this. So I'm going to just plug my iron right now, and then I'm going to start ironing at the back of the fabric. Don't iron the front of the fabric, iron the back of the fabric, and make sure the heat is turned up. So don't turn it up to the extent that your fabric will burn. Just regulating it slowly till you get the perfect temperature that you want to use. So right now I'm just ironing it. Then from time to time I'm just going to be trying to see if it will remove, and if it doesn't I'll just continue. And then you guys can see right now it's coming off by itself. Like I didn't even need to remove anything. So I'm just going to fold it and put it aside, and then I'm going to take my serviette paper and I'm going to put it on it just like this, and then I'm going to just iron on it. So guys, you're going to be removing it to check if the residue is still on it. So once you remove it, touch it to see if it's still, gumming to your hand, and then if it's still gumming, put it back on and iron it continuously till that residue is gone. So guys, right now the residue is off, and even if the color is darker, I don't think you can do anything to that. So guys, this is the best you can get to avoid dirt on that spot. So just try this method and it will work for you, I promise. Ever since I got this method, I've been using it every single time and it has worked for me perfectly. And guys, that's all I have for this. If you tried this out, or if you've ever tried it out, or if you have another method that you want to suggest, please comment in the comment section. I would love to work with your ideas as well and try it out to see if that will even be an easier option. So guys, comment in the comment section, subscribe to the channel, like this video, share within and outside your circle, and until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.